Academic integrity can be difficult to enforce now that we're facing the challenges posed by free and easy-to-use generative AI tools such as ChatGPT and DALL-E created by OpenAI. It's important that you specify clearly on your syllabus what you expect from students as regards to the use of generative AI. Don't just add a statement to your syllabus. However, also discuss academic integrity, including appropriate citation and attribution and intellectual property. If you expect students to abide by our rules, they need to understand them and have the opportunity to ask questions or to clarify your expectations. Some important points to impress upon students about generative AI tools. They don't generate new ideas. They recycle those already available. They don't distinguish between facts and falsehoods, and may include misinformation. They may invent citations. So-called AI detectors don't always give accurate results. You may also want to explain that plagiarism detectors have similar drawbacks. A text can come out clean with Grammarly and be flagged and turn it in, simply because they compare text against different databases. When AI-generated work is used, it should be appropriately cited. Demonstrate how AI tools can create misinformation or false citations. Show how detectors can give false negatives and false positives. You may have been told that AI-generated content can be detected using tools such as those provided by Turnitin, Hackback, Undetectable AI, or GPT-0. Unfortunately, these detectors are inaccurate and unreliable. They should never be used as the sole indicator of cheating. They can miss the use of generative AI tools, or, worse yet, identify work as AI-generated falsely, thus leading to a false accusation. You should also be aware that while you may be using these tools to detect AI-generated work, students can use them to hide it. For example, Undetectable AI promises that their tool can create truly undetectable AI content. Students can rephrase AI-generated text to hide it. They might run it through a paraphrasing tool like Quillbot, or add errors so that it doesn't look too perfect. They might also run it through multiple AI detectors until altered enough that it is not read as human. This text was AI-generated, but both GPT-0 and Undetectable AI failed to correctly identify it. The bottom line? It's unwise to trust AI detection software as the only indication of the use of AI-generated work. You also may have heard that technology will come to the rescue by creating watermarks to identify AI-generated products. But so far, prototype watermarking can be defeated, and it's unknown whether this function will ever be reliable. If you suspect a student has used an AI generator and hasn't followed syllabus policies regarding its use, there are steps you should take beyond using AI detection software. Look for the following: inaccurate, false, or outdated information, polished work free of errors, or, for writing, using vocabulary beyond what you would expect for a particular student, patterns in the phrasing or style. It is, for example, common for ChatGPT to use numbered lists when asking how or why questions. Unusually quick responses. Similarity to work found elsewhere, for example, by Turnitin.com. Similarity to other responses in the class, with minor changes. No one of these steps will make a sure case for cheating, so it's best to get the help of experts in the area of academic integrity. The professionals at the Aggie Honor System office can work with you to determine the best way forward. The academic landscape is rapidly changing, and it's difficult to keep up. We urge you to proceed with caution, but also to uphold our high standards of academic integrity. If you would like to live more comfortably with AI, there are ways you can discourage its use, or encourage its ethical use as an integral tool that helps get work done. For more on how generative AI is affecting the way we teach, check out the resources at the Center for Teaching Excellence.